Schedule 1 is where you report extra income or adjustments that don't fit directly on your Form 1040. Part 1 covers additional income, things like state tax refunds, business income, unemployment compensation, and other amounts. Part 2 covers adjustments that reduce your taxable income before you get to the standard or itemized deduction. The totals from Schedule 1 flow back to your main 1040. Today we'll fill it out for two common situations: reporting unemployment compensation in Part 1 and deducting student loan interest in Part 2. At the top, enter the name and Social Security number exactly as they appear on your Form 1040. Part 1 is additional income. Line 7 is where you enter unemployment compensation from your Form 1099-G. If you received unemployment at any point during the year, all of it is taxable and goes here. Anna received $4,200. Page 2 continues with Part 2, Adjustments. These reduce your income before you reach the deductions page. Line 21 is the student loan interest deduction, up to $2,500 per year, available if you paid interest on a qualified student loan. Anna paid $2,500 in interest this year. Attach Schedule 1 to your Form 1040 when you file. Its totals appear on lines 8 and 10 of your 1040. Fill yours out free at FormsPal, then download and print it. This is general information, not tax advice.